haven't posted a lot of driving videos recently, this video is with KB, decided to do a mock rally with pace notes at this one road we found. The first two hairpins, with a total road length of about 110 meters, actually had a descent of roughly 50 to 54 meters. It actually looks much steeper in real life than it does in the video. We were out of state, so we ran it a couple times at a slow rate to get notes, and there are a few factors that didn't really allow us to run this any faster than we did. So the road had two-way traffic. The car was on the line. There was a slight tow out after we replaced the front struts, so it didn't really inspire too much confidence for me to go any faster than I did. And there was a decent amount of gravel on the road, along with it being quite wet. Temperature was about 35 to 40 degrees up in the mountain, but overall it was a good time, so I hope you enjoyed the video.
Okay, ready? And go. Left 3, dip. 30. Hairpin left, slow, hairpin left, okay, slow into hairpin right, right 2, tightens, into left 2, into right 2 plus, crest and dip, left 2, into right 2 plus, into right 2 tightens, into left 2, splash, 30, double caution into right 2, late tightens, left 3 tightens, and slow, right 5, okay, pick it back up, right 3, dip, 30, caution gravel, into left 2, dip, and crest, dip, 30, don't cut, right 5 and slow, right 5 and slow, don't cut, okay, right 3 long, into left